What's up? It's me again, Alicia, and I am back with another video, and this video is actually brought to you guys by Yolissa hair. I'll link all their information down below, but I decided to get this wig with your comments in mind because we've been getting a lot of comments from you all, and I truly appreciate you guys' comments. I take all of your comments into accountability, and I want to do what you guys request us to do. So some of you guys were like, your units all look the same, everything is curly, everything is black. So I decided that I wanted to try something a little different. So I did pick out this unit from Yolissa, which is their 1B Ombre 350. I believe that's just a like a brown black with orange tips. So that's what I picked out, and I did get their lace front wig. So this is the construction of their wigs. I do believe there is 4 inches, maybe 3 to 4 inches of parting room in this unit. I typically go for my 6, but we're gonna see how this works out with us. But this is how the hair looks straight out the bag. Okay, so you guys know me, I like to go in and do a little customizations to my wigs, so bear with me, y'all. First things first, I'm gonna go in and bleach my knots. All of the products that I do use in my videos, I will link down below for you all. I'll try to find the best prices on Amazon in case you are interested, or you can go to Sally's, whichever is easier for you. But yeah, I'll link that down below. But I go ahead and make my concoction. You guys know I like my concoction to be quite spreadable and thick. That way I do not ruin my hair. It's very easy, guys. Just look for a thick application and you will not have any mistakes with your wig. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and apply the bleach to the knot area. We bleach our knots because we want the illusion of an actual scalp, okay? And with this particular hair piece, I'm going to be honest with you, it did not take well at all. I left this bleach on for around maybe 30 minutes, which I never do. I usually keep it on for 15 tops, but this one was on for around 30 minutes, and you guys will see here it didn't bleach that well. Off camera I did go ahead and bleach it again, same results. Yeah, this hair just didn't take that well, mainly because it's dyed already. So when you're getting units that are already pre-colored, those are the issues that you do run into. But now I just went ahead and toned the hair just so I can get that orange color to pop and get, you know, the brassiness out of the root area. So that's what I do, and now I'm just rinsing that out. And as you guys can see, a little bit of that color did come out, so keep that in mind. Maybe use a color safe shampoo. I didn't, I just used my shimmering lights, and yeah, I did lose a little color with this one. But yeah, when you're using hair that's been bleached and colored, definitely get your silicone mix. It's going to keep the hair nice and soft. It's going to keep the hair from getting, you know, that frizzy, like weighed down look that colored hair usually gets. It's going to keep the hair looking very soft and very shiny and sleek. That is the amount of shedding that I did get with this one. But yeah, this was the most challenging hairline. Oh my goodness, guys. Yes, this was pretty challenging because usually I get a wig that has a little bit of plucking in the front area, but this one had absolutely none. So I had to go in and tweeze the hairline. This took me a day. I literally was going, plucking, coming back, plucking, coming back, plucking, because it was very dense. This unit, I do believe, is 200% density, and it was pretty much thick all the way around. So I had to kind of keep going in, parting the unit, tweezing it, parting it, tweezing it, just to get it to have that realistic hairline. And this is what I came up with. I certainly could have went back in a little further, but at this point I was just done at this time. Okay, so this is what I came up with as far as tweezing the unit. With this particular hair piece, I just wanted a middle part, no baby hairs, just a simple look, and as you guys can see, that's all I did. Now I will be flat ironing this hair the next day, I want the hair to be nice and sleek, so I do use my Mizani leave-in. That really helps with keeping your hair nice and soft and keeping it from frizzing, okay? So I allowed this to dry overnight, and definitely get the Shea Moisture Reconstruction Finishing Elixir, because that is what's going to keep your hair from, you guys know, when you dye hair or when you bleach hair, it gets like those split end type of look at the bottom of your hair. That's going to keep your hair, you know, from doing that. So I apply that to the hair and go over it with my flat iron. I'm using my Sotra Seductress flat iron. I'll link that down below. A lot of you guys always ask what type of tools we use for our hair. I've been using this flat iron for years now. It's my favorite. So yeah. So after flat ironing the hair, this is how it looks. It certainly has movement still. It has body. I really wish I would have picked up an 18-inch or a 20-inch in this unit. I did get their 16-inch, so I wasn't able to do much styling with this unit because it was just kind of like that awkward length where I couldn't really do much of anything with it, okay? But yeah, I went ahead and I cut off the lace and I sewed on an elastic band. If you guys are interested in seeing a video on how I sew on my elastic bands, definitely let me know. But yeah, I do not do the whole, you know, gluing my units down because, you know, one day I wear a wig, the next day I won't. That's just me, guys. I do use an elastic band, or you can use a wig grip, and it pretty much gives you like a temporary hold, you know. So yeah, this is how the hairline is looking on this particular unit. Again, like I told you guys before, the bleach really didn't take that well, so I'm using a little bit of my LA Pro Conceal just to kind of, you know, get that parting space to look a little more natural, and I'm topping it off with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in dark, just so it can blend in seamlessly into my skin and look natural somewhat, okay? Going back in with my flat iron just so I can shape the hair to my face and bump the ends just a little. As you guys can see, this hair does remain very sleek and very straight and very soft. It doesn't have that super weighed down look about it. If you use the products that I use, you won't have any issues with that. I know you guys can see a little bit of that purple shimmering lights kind of tinted the hair a little bit, but I actually like it. It kind of gives the hair some depth and some, you know, just a different look, okay? But anyways, you guys, if I didn't say this before, this is their 16-inch Ombre 1B 350 lace front wig. The density that I do have mine in is 200%. It's a very natural density. To me, it looks more like a 150, but yeah, I did do some customizing with this unit, and so far so good. I've been getting minimal shedding with this one. Every time I go through it, I do get a few strands here and there. The hair is still very sleek. It hasn't matted up or tangled. I will definitely let you guys know how this unit is going. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye guys.
Really get it in, knowing that is what we came to do. Had to bring the crew, and it came to buy every drink.